Hi, this is Bob Rasooli, Orange County, California. In this short video, I'll give you a clear overview of our API Source Inspection Rotating Equipment, or API SIRE, online training course at I4I Academy, what the certification is, what the exam expects, and how our course helps you prepare in a practical, organized way. The API SIRE certification is intended for professionals who perform source inspection and quality surveillance of rotating equipment at vendor and manufacturer facilities. This includes pumps, compressors, turbines, gear units, drivers, and lubrication systems, equipment that is fabricated, assembled, inspected, and tested before shipment. Decisions made during this phase directly affect reliability and long-term performance in service, which is why strong inspection judgment and familiarity with applicable requirements are essential. The exam focuses on practical inspection knowledge, not design theory. It evaluates whether you understand how rotating equipment is built, what standards require, and how inspection activities are planned, executed, documented, and verified. The exam is closed, book, and time limited, so effective preparation requires structured study and realistic practice. That is the purpose of our API SIRE online training course. The course is developed directly from the official body of knowledge. Each module is organized to keep your study focused on what is actually tested, without unnecessary material. We explain what the exam expects, how a source inspector applies requirements at a vendor facility, and how to approach typical inspection scenarios found in exam questions. A significant portion of the API SIRE exam is driven by rotating equipment standards, and the course provides practical coverage of the most important references. This includes API 610 for centrifugal pumps, API 614 for lubrication and oil systems, API 617 for axial and centrifugal compressors, API 618 for reciprocating compressors, and API 677 for gear units, all presented from a source inspection perspective. Beyond API standards, the exam references additional publications used in inspection activities. The course explains material verification requirements, including the application of API Recommended Practice 578, as well as relevant portions of the ASME boiler and pressure vessel code related to materials, non-destructive examination concepts, pressure boundary acceptance, and welding qualifications. We focus on how these requirements are applied in real inspection decisions, not memorization. The API SIRE exam also covers source inspection management topics such as inspection planning, inspection and test plans, review of purchase orders and drawings, documentation practices, communication with vendors, and handling nonconformances. These topics reflect how source inspection is actually performed in the field, and they are addressed in a practical, experience-based way throughout the course. To support learning and exam readiness, the course includes practice questions in each major topic area, written to match the style and difficulty of the API SIRE exam. A full-length timed mock exam is also included to help you assess readiness and build confidence under exam conditions. The API Source Inspection Rotating Equipment, or API SIRE online training course is self-paced and designed for both new inspectors and experienced professionals who want to formalize their knowledge through certification. Upon completion, you receive a certificate of completion from I4I Academy with 32 hours of continuing professional development credit. If your goal is to pass the API SIRE exam and strengthen your confidence as a source inspector for rotating equipment, this course is designed to support that goal with structured instruction, realistic practice, and clear alignment to exam requirements. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you through I4I Academy.